Okay, alright, so are you ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look into the Excels. Okay, if you notice carefully, this is your Excel file. Normally, when you keep your data inside your Excel, you will have a column, correct? Whereby you have user ID. For example, I want to store username, password, right? Category, for example. Then you store all this information inside your table. Okay, for example, you have the user called admin. Right, so you have the password as 12345 and just say that now you have the category. For example, this particular category, you call this as admin. Okay, admin is okay, right, and then just say you have another user, okay, called, just say that I am the user and the password is 123456. Okay, and I have another category which is as a user, so I can store information inside the Excel sheets. Right, so this is how commonly you keep data inside Excel, correct? Alright, so what do you find the problem here? Do you find any problem here? Same password, okay. Alright, assuming right now they are this different user lah, they are using a different password, okay, fine. Alright, for example, they are using a different password. Okay, what are the problems that you may be facing inside Excel sheets? Yes, one of the problem is expose. Right, you have expose, right? And again, you can see the password is simple password. Okay, simple password. Some more. What are the problems that you have? Okay, some more. What are the problems that you have? Okay, what? Just say that he forgot his username. He register again one more time. Can he register? Okay, no restriction, you can register again and again and again. What is the problem here? Redundant. Okay, very good, it's redundant. Some more? Pasal? No checking, you don't check. The same person can register again and again and again. So basically you have no restriction. When there is no restriction, they can register again with a different username. Alright, what else you have? Okay, for example, like now, what do you find the problem here? What do you find here? Okay, very good. Basically, there is a duplication. Okay, what do you think about this duplication? Let's talk about storage. What is the problem with the storage here? Not basically increase, you can say it's wasted. Okay, the keyword that I want to highlight is actually wasted. When we talk about wasted, means, is there a way to simplify this? What? Okay, your point lah. Doesn't matter if you know database, you doesn't know database. When you see this one, you already know that this is the problem. Okay, how do we solve this so that you don't waste the space? Let's talk about it lah. Okay, for example, right now, you learn about computer, right? Okay, one alphabet, one A, consists of how many bytes? 7, 8, 9, sure. You learn or you don't learn? Okay, just say byte. How many bytes? 10. Ayah, ni terkeria. 8 lah. It's actually 8 bit. 8 bit. 1 byte equals to how many byte on a bit? 8 bit. Very good. Okay, so 1 megabyte is equivalent to how many bit? Yeah, 1024 byte. Okay, alright, and blah 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 lah. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, right now, how many byte is this one? Admin. Okay, how many bytes is admin? Okay, 5 bytes which is equivalent to how many bits? 40 bits. Okay, how about this one? 4 bytes equivalent to 32 bit. Okay, 32 bit. Okay, and then it goes on lah, and on and on and on. I mean, how many times you waste your space here? 3 times, 4 times, many times. Just say right now you only have 3 or 4. Just say you have 1,000 users. How many bits of data you wasted? How many of data have you wasted? Huh? You be a lot lah. Okay, make it simple for you lah. You don't have to bring out your calculator and calculate. But if you are doing database design, when you doing software design, you need to calculate how much space you need to think. Because why you need to think about this? So that you can predict what is the size storage of your server that you're going to apply onto. You cannot just simply design something and in the end your server does not fit your design. So basically whatever design that you make must be matching with your system or your server. This is very important, and this is the main weakness of everybody. Normally when they design something, they don't see thoroughly. It is an interrelated database, systems, servers, all of them are interrelated. So because of that, you need to understand fully. Right? How do we solve this problem so that we simplify this? Yeah? Create new table. So alright, okay, create. So how do we create this new table? Alright. Okay, I put this aside. Okay, I don't think we need this. Okay, how do we create this? Okay, so you can put another table as category ID. Okay, for example, category ID, and then you have category. Right, so now you will have category number 1, you have admin. Category number 2 is user. If you want to add more, you can add guest. Blah blah blah. You can add, continuously adding. Alright, so what you can do is, instead of wasting the size, you just change this one to category ID. This is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. Okay, what is the size of your byte here? It's 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte. You have saved more than 4 bytes. Okay, so now do you see what is the significance of designing your database? Right? Everybody, are you okay or not? Are you lost?